My name is Jayne Crawford. I am an associate within the Serious and Fatal Injury Unit within Thompsons Solicitors, and I have been an associate now for 4 years. I represent people who have sustained serious and the family members of people who have died as a result of accidents or collisions. It's difficult to think of a more worthwhile or important job to be doing than representing seriously injured individuals, often deprived of previous means of earning a living, sometimes of complex needs, or families who are bereaved and having to face not only the loss of a loved one, but also the main breadwinner in the family. It's so important that those individuals and families have experts involved to guide them through what can be a very daunting process, and that's where we come in. That's the work that I do. Thompsons work with Headway, the charity that they offer support to. We are in a unique position to see the challenges individuals with serious injury, including brain injuries, face. Headway is a charity that offers support to individuals with acquired brain injury. We recognise that it's extremely important that those with acquired brain injury have access to the correct treatment at an early stage. Our support extends to grassroots level, where we have the opportunity to help local groups with the likes of social activities. So I've personally been involved with Headway for around 4.5 years now. I started as a committee representative with a group in the South East, and through my contacts I then helped to set up a new group for the Scottish Borders area. The group in the Scottish Borders meets once a month. We organise activities and outings for those with acquired brain injury, their carers and their family members. I've also more recently become involved with Brake, which is a national charity that supports seriously injured road collision victims and more commonly bereaved families of individuals who die as a result of a road traffic collision. The charity also campaigns to improve road safety. We are partners with Brake, and we have jointly launched a campaign in schools aimed at older children who are maybe around about the age where they're thinking about starting to drive. The campaign is really just to educate people on the consequences of unsafe and impatient driving, and to encourage people to start as they would mean to go on as careful road users who look out for the safety of others. I think that charities are drawn to Thompsons. Firstly, I think that they recognise our expertise in securing compensation for accident and collision victims and families. Our expertise really speak for themselves through the multiple national awards that we've had in recent years. We've also acted in most of the major tragic accidents in Scotland, from Piper Alpha, Stockline disaster, the Super Puma crash, right up to the present day, where we are currently acting for a number of victims from the Clutha helicopter disaster. But the work of charities also, I think, fits foursquare with this firm's social conscience and our ethos. We not only apply the law as it stands to recover compensation, but we also get involved where merited to seek change in the law to the benefit of our clients.